Some areas in the Midwest could see up to half a foot of rain from the remnants of Beryl, still leaving a trace.
It was a lot of rain. That's one of the things with tropical systems as they come inland. They don't pack as much of a wind punch, but they still can bring a lot of heavy rain. And so those lower winds with the saturated soil can still bring down trees.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Always a big concern there, a big risk. And after working in Louisiana for several years, we didn't see as many tornadoes as a result of tropical depression.
And sometimes some storms don't have as many. This one had a ton. There were over 100 tornado warnings that were issued.
100?
Over 100.
Wow.
It was incredible. But we're pretty quiet this evening. That's some good news for us. High temperature for the day was 82 degrees. We were discussing that. So it was the third coolest high temperature. Pretty cool for mid-July here. But it was also pretty gusty though. Up to 41 miles per hour was the highest wind gust at the Memphis airport this afternoon. Earlier this morning when I was just sitting out on my porch, keeping an eye on all my peppers that I'm growing, trying to keep them from falling over, I was having to fight Beryl. I had some words to say to her. But anyway, gusts have certainly cooled down this evening. That's some good news. You can still see a little bit closer to the center of Beryl, or the remnants, 20 miles an hour up in Dyersburg, or the current gusts. But temperatures are nice and cool this evening. That's some good news for us. 11 degrees below where we were this time yesterday. Don't be getting used to it. We are going to see temperatures that are going to be warming up very quickly over the next couple of days. We're getting back into the 90s by the weekend, and it's going to be back into that humidity as well. So might see a heat advisory. We'll have to see. But take a look at this. Clouds on radar. We see all of the rain of Beryl now, looking more like a mid-latitude cyclone rather than a tropical cyclone. As it comes ashore, it loses a lot of its tropical characteristics. It can gain cold front and a warm front, which you can pretty clearly see on the radar presentation. Here around Memphis, it's fairly quiet, maybe just a stray sprinkle or two, just little spritz of rain, and then it'll be over. As we head over the next few days, though, it's staying pretty dry. We might have just a single pop-up shower or two in the next couple of days. It's not going to amount to much. You see one little burst there on Thursday afternoon, but that's about it. It's just going to be maybe a pop-up here or there. There's really very little chance of rain in the next 7 days for us. Tonight, we're dropping back to around 68 degrees. That'll be one of the coolest mornings we'll probably have all of this month. Just the remnants of that cool air here from Beryl. Tomorrow, we're looking at highs in the upper 80s across eastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi. Some of us might be getting up to around that 90-degree mark. Look at Batesville, Clarksdale, Tunica, all around 90 degrees. Same in Corinth. And then upper 80s as well here into western Tennessee. Your 7-day forecast, there's that upward trend in our temperatures. We're going to be getting back into the mid-90s by Saturday and Sunday. It's really going to be just a dry trend for us. Looking into the long term, we really don't see any more chances for rain, it doesn't look like. And of course, you see that 98 by Tuesday, it's probably going to be feeling more like 105 or higher, Rudy.
Oh wow, all right, get set for it. Thanks a lot, Kit.